Today we're taking a look at the DJI Mavic Pro. Released in 2016, this thing was a game changer in the drone industry. But nearly a decade later, is this thing still worth flying and using in 2025? The Mavic Pro was DJI's first foldable drone, boasting a 4K camera, 3-axis gimbal, and a 27-minute flight time. Its portability and performance set new standards for consumer drones. Fast forward to 2025, the DJI Mavic Pro kind of starts to show its age. While it still flies super reliably, the camera compared to the modern DJI drones kind of falls behind. While this camera is on a 3-axis gimbal, and you can get some pretty smooth shots if you know what you're doing, it just falls behind as far as stabilization compared to modern drones, and also with video quality as well. While this one does record up to 4K 30 FPS, which is a nice high resolution and a good FPS, it's not the highest, but it's good. It falls behind in lighting control and focus control compared to modern drones. I've noticed this camera likes to really blow things out, really blow out the exposure, and so you have to often go in and manually adjust the settings, and the autofocus has trouble often locking onto specific objects, so I find myself often just using the manual focus and just adjusting it myself. Another thing that kind of concerns me is the batteries. Now, these ones are still good, the one I'm holding here in my hand, but most original batteries for these drones are nearing the end of their lifespan, and they are no longer being manufactured anymore, so replacements could be hard to come by. And unfortunately, DJI ended support for the DJI Mavic Pro in April of this year, 2025, so that means no more firmware updates and no more official repairs. So if this thing breaks, you're kind of on your own. This is also a problem for the app. Because this drone connects via the app on your smartphone, and that's what you use for your screen, for monitoring everything, as phones update and get newer and newer, the app will slowly fall out and no longer be able to be supported on the newer devices. Now, I love the DJI Mavic Pro, but these newer drones have just gotten so much better. The new Mavic 3 Pro and the 4 Pro have just gotten so much better in terms of battery life, range, camera quality, power, speed. It's just a complete upgrade overall. Not to mention things like GPS systems and obstacle avoidance. While this thing does a really good job with obstacle avoidance, it's gotten so much better in the last 9 years. Now, the DJI Mavic Pro was an absolute pioneer in the drone industry when this thing came out. But unfortunately, in 2025, with the lack of support and also newer drones just having so many better specifications and advancements in comparison, it's kind of a no-brainer. If you're in the market for a drone, you might as well go for one of the newer ones. There's no really point in getting a Mavic Pro anymore, especially with it being at the end of its support. That being said, if you already own a Mavic Pro, the OG, then I would say keep it, fly it. It's going to come to an end soon, so enjoy it while it lasts, and eventually you're going to be forced to upgrade, but for now, it still works, and I really enjoy flying my Mavic Pro. I think it's super fun to fly, super fun to film with, and so I'm going to enjoy mine while it lasts until I'm officially forced to upgrade it. So, unfortunately, the DJI Mavic Pro is not worth it in 2025 anymore. With lack of support, it's just really unfortunate. If you're in the market for a new drone, then I would say definitely go for one of the newer models because you're going to have a lot longer support with one of those, and it's just going to overall be a better drone. Better camera quality, better flight time, better range, all sorts of things like that. It's just a better experience overall. So if you guys enjoy these types of videos, make sure you leave a like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time.